how do you handle cases where there are abusers being emboldened by the courts? We see this every day, and that is true. We do.
I mean, one of the things I tell somebody who comes in and they have an extremely complicated case is this isn't a sprint. A lot of times you are running a marathon, and you have to run the marathon if you want to really take the other person down, and show them for who they are. That requires going to trial and getting them up on the stand and being able to pull out the lies, to pull out the mistruths, to really put your case out there. Now, there's a cost benefit analysis for everything. And if somebody just wants to have their story heard, that might not be enough to go to trial. So sometimes it's a matter of, what are you fighting for and why, as to where you want to get there. But unfortunately, a lot of times when you have somebody who has no problem walking into court and lying, where you stand in front of a judge and they hear you for, if you're lucky, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. But a lot of times you're trying to summarize 20 years of your life within a 5-minute argument, and you're doing it to the stranger who hears the same story 30 times a day and doesn't care, and that's a problem. So I think part of it is having your ducks in a row moving in and moving forward so that you're strategizing yourself correctly. Again, I honestly believe people who put a lot of work in themselves end up with better results legally. So I think focusing on you and not necessarily the things you can't control